They say it's a smartwatch, and they say it's from DARIL, and they claim it has tons and tons of features. But I say, let's find out. Stay with me. Hello everyone, this is Ayoub, and we have here the DARIL smartwatch version 5143. We have three colors: the black, the white, and the red. And I think the one we have here is red. The packaging looks so cheap, and they claim it has many features like we see on the side over here and on the other side, of course. And now let's check the box. And yeah, the cheap packaging. We have here the manual. It's a multi-language manual, of course. And the watch in the red color. It feels really cheap. And then the cable, the charging cable. It's a normal charging cable. And yeah, this is the watch, smartwatch. Let's turn it on. Oh my god. What a noisy music they are using. I will remove these things from here. And yeah, let's check what does it have. The low graphics over there are not good. Big icons, hard touch. It's glitching. The atmosphere, the altimeter. What is that? It's a timer, yeah. It's back. It's a pedometer. Stopwatch. The Bluetooth, phone book, keypad, calls, Bluetooth notice, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth camera. This is really weird. Well, they say it does have an app for Android. This is the app BT notification. I guess it's a referral for Bluetooth notification. Well, anyway, let's just download the app. Well, here it is. And let's pair the phone to the watch, because it's the main thing here. This is what we are doing. We need to pair the phone to the watch. And before we do so, we need to allow the app some permissions, to have some permissions. We turn on the Bluetooth on the watch and on the phone. Visibility on. And here it is. Association, yes. And we are in. Let's try that app. Well, sync date and time with remote device. Yes, that's cool. The same date. Let's check the features. Come on. BT notification. iWatch. And well, application. This is the permissions. The apps that I will let the watch to manage. Don't know what is it for. chercher la montre, which means search for the watch in English. And here is the watch ringing. If you have the phone, you will never lose the watch. And if you have the watch, you won't lose the phone either. This is amazing. Well, this is some kind of cool apps, you know. It's gonna be useful because we always lose our phones. I'm not used to these buttons. Let's try something else. Let's see what we do have. Let's try to dial a number from the app, from the smartwatch. And here it is on the phone. I will end the call. Yeah, it's working perfectly. I really hate this glitch. Okay. I need to allow the contacts from the settings, but I will not do it right now. What about the BT music? Let's turn the music on. And yeah, here it is working. This will allow you to play music. Unfortunately, it's playing on the watch, which is not a good quality, you know. It's kind of distortion or something. Let's try the BT camera. And the BT camera, yeah, it's loading and it's on. Look at this. You can control the phone camera from the watch. It's of course it does lower the quality, but it's only because it's using Bluetooth to transfer the image, so it's acceptable. You see, it does work, and it's good. It's cool. I guess this is it for this watch. First of all, it is cheap, and it does feel cheap, so there is nothing to complain about. It is good. It is good for its price. There is so many apps, so many cool things. So if you have enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and comment for the next videos.